Welcome back, guys. And in Android phone, you are logging with the help of an Google account. So if you want to remove Google account from your Android phone, what you need to do, if you are resetting your phone, if you are factory resetting your phone, then you how will you add that new Google account there. So in this video we are going to discuss how to remove Google account from your phone. If you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So for this, go to the setting and go below here. One accounts and backup is there, and in some phone it is user and account. So go and here manage accounts, all the accounts will be open. So tap on manage account, and here the Google account is there. Tap on the Google account. So now this has opened, and now from here you can remove your account. Just you tap on here and it will remove after prompting some information. So this is what I wanted to tell you, how you remove your Google account from your phone. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.